This one took me by surprise.
Final Cut Pro for Mac combines revolutionary video editing with powerful media organization, AI-enhanced features, and incredible performance. Experiment with story ideas in the magnetic timeline by moving and trimming clips with ease.
Last week, Apple posted a Final Cut Pro ad, and it's strange because I haven't seen any Final Cut Pro ad in a while. The question is, why? Why now? Why do it at all? Listen, I have a ton of questions, but one of them is Apple cooking something I don't know about? See what I did there? Cook. Apple. Cooking. Anyway, you get it. This is what I know, though. Companies advertise a product for a couple of reasons, and I'm going to talk about 3 of them today. First is to increase brand awareness in order to attract new customers. And right off the bat, guys, I don't think that's why they made this ad. Final Cut Pro has been around for a while and is definitely one of the top 3 most used nonlinear editing software out there. Or should I say top 5 now? Okay, that was a little jab, but the point is, I'm convinced that a vast majority of people who are into content creation that involves video knows about Final Cut Pro, especially if they are Mac users. The other reason would be to try to stay in the game with competitors. That's why companies make ads, but the thing is, in order to do that, you actually have to show that you are providing more value than your competitors. And for Final Cut Pro, the current features aren't simply gonna make it. The features in the ad are features from 10.8, and I talk more about that in this video up here, but it's basically machine learning smooth slow-mo, machine learning light and color enhancement, better effects organizations, and a faster way to do a text search. But the funny thing is they're also talking about features from 3 years ago, like the object tracker and voice isolation. I mean, those features are good, don't get me wrong. Yeah, but compared to the competition, I can't even finish that sentence. The third reason I could think of on why they did this ad is to keep their customers, their current customers. It's not primarily to attract new customers like I talked about in the beginning. It's not to compete with their competitors either, at least not yet, not for now, but to keep their current customers like me. I think it's just a reminder, a simple reminder, especially to current users, that they're still cooking something for this specific product. Yeah, this ad is just to say they're not done yet. They're not getting rid of Final Cut Pro, the desktop version. Listen, I do want to see new features, but even if they don't add any features, I'm still going to use Final Cut Pro. And I just want to be honest with you guys, because Final Cut Pro is very easy to use and it's very reliable. For what I do, clients don't care which tool I use as long as I bring value to their company or their brand. And that's simply it. But I'm curious, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this ad. Is it a good sign for Final Cut Pro users, or is it just a desperation move? Let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.